Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the red planet Mars, which is ingressed in the sign Scorpio on the 5th December 2021, and they will be havoc from rain, cyclone, earthquakes, and the virus may also surge. It has been observed from the past that whenever Mars activates the eclipse points of the eclipses, now in the present context, the lunar eclipse, the 19th, the lunar eclipse of the 19th November 2021, the 3 degrees will be activated on the 9th of December, and the 18 degrees eclipse point in the solar eclipse of the 4th December will be activated on the 30th of December 2021. And it has also been observed that whenever Mars transits the Jesta star, the most ferocious and venomous and bitter star, then the world's most ugliest things they happen. So it is bound that if you look at the charts, it is the 7th house of the India Foundation chart. So it will disturb till 16th January 2022. And let me read out. Red planet Mars ingresses Scorpio on the 5th December 2021, havoc from rains, cyclones, earthquakes, and virus on cards. Mars will ingress in Scorpio on the 5th December at 5:59 hours today, means the day I wrote the article, and will remain in this sign till 16th of January, 16:31 hours. Mars will activate the eclipse point as I mentioned just now, and these dates will be prone to malefic effects of the eclipses, especially in the areas where the eclipses are visible, and also influence the other parts of the world. Australia, South Africa, New Zealand, Western Europe, North America, Atlantic and Pacific Oceans will be influenced adversely with dimension. But the other places of the world will also be influenced, but not with this intensity. Indonesia may also be influenced adversely along with Northwest and South India. The solar eclipse on the 4th is most enigmatic one for the simple reason that since it is taking place in the Jesta star, most ferocious and bitter, and the Gandanta star, it has been observed from the past that the world's most ugly things take place when Mars is transits the Jesta star, because Mars will also be in Gandanta, which will happen between 28th December to 16th January 2021. Since there will be cluster of 5 planets on the 5th December 2000 in the sign Scorpio, a watery sign, havoc from the above mentioned events may be seen with dimension in different parts of the world. The solar eclipse on the 4th December is also falling on the Shani Amavasya, which is not considered pious. This is also with reference to my articles on the transit of Mars in Scorpio, written much in advance. Mars ingresses in Scorpio, the 8th house of the natural zodiac and the 7th house of the India Foundation chart in the sign Scorpio, where the solar eclipse of the 4th December 13:13 hours has taken place. First, read my articles on the Mars ingress. Panic from Omicron will remain, although it may not be that serious as the second wave of the coronavirus. There may be more mutations in the virus, as can be seen from Mars and Ketu conjunction in the 8th house of the natural zodiac, but Mars in own house will protect the 8th house of the natural zodiac and control the virus in a nutshell. When Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio on the 17th March 2022, there will be relief from the virus spread. The total relief only after the 8th February 2023, when there will be exchange between the stars of Rahu and Ketu, and the virus will lose its identity, and there may be a lot of measures in the medical science to take care of the same. The conjunction of 5 planets in the 7th house of India foundation chart, and especially when Rahu and Ketu are over. Rahu and Ketu in the foundation chart degree wise may trouble with respect to foreign relations and warlike conditions, espionage from foreign elements and border clashes and terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir not ruled out. The opposition party may not leave any stone unturned to tarnish the image of the ruling party. The election in the states are in the early part of year 2022, and hence keeping this in mind, the opposition parties may combine against NDA to fight the elections in March 2022, because Mars is placed in the 8th house, in the 7th house, the house of opposition, and elections especially in the UP. As per the foundation chart of BJP of the 6th April 1980, 11:45 hours, the Dasha of Moon Jupiter will be till 18/7/2022, and then Moon Saturn Dasha may bring most enigmatic results for the ruling party, and the sign may start to diminish as per the above dashas of Moon Jupiter and Moon Saturn. And Moon Saturn Dasha from the July 22 will bring major losses in the ruling party, since the natal Jupiter and Saturn form a Mrityu Yoga, and Saturn in the natal chart is a fallen planet and in transit also on 12th between 12th July 2022 to 29th April 2023 will be fallen in the 8th house in the sign Capricorn. And this time frame will also be most enigmatic for Narendra Modi, since especially the Mars reaching at the 24.47 degrees in Capricorn first on the 27th February, and then 28th September 2022, and then 12th November 2022 may be the worst time for Narendra Modi. Before we look at the previous articles, let me look at the chart when the Mars ingresses in Scorpio. It is Scorpio Lagna, and it is the day is Saturday, and the Lord is Saturn, placed in the 3rd house and placed in the yam of Pisces, totally watery sign, and as per the direction south and west will be influenced the most by havocs by these 5 planets in the sign Scorpio, a watery sign. Avyogi in the Lagna is most malefic. Sun, Mars, Ketu in Sarv Direshkon, most malefic for virus and disease spread. The 22 Direshkon and 64 Direshkon signs are Gemini, and the 8th house of the chart and the Kharesh 22nd Direshkon Lord Mercury is placed in the Lagna combusted and in the star of the solar eclipse, most malefic parameter. As per Panch Pakshi, the bird is roaster and most afflicted condition. As per Kota Chakar, Mars, Venus, Saturn are placed in malefic zones. The nakshatra of Moon is on the Trishul. Planets in watery sign and Navamsha. Mars is also debilitated, and Moon and Rahu in Pisces, the 8th house, hence trouble from water, havoc from rain, cyclone to tsunami, till Mars in Gandanta, also in Scorpio, till 16th January 2022, most prone. If Narendra Modi has Scorpio Lagna, then his Mars is at 00.57 degrees. And if Rahu Mars Dasha is in operation, then most enigmatic for him, since both Rahu and Mars are in Sarv Direshkon, but definitely most prone as per the old chart of the time of taking, since the Scorpio Lagna is rising and Angarak Yoga is there in the 8th house as per his old chart. So I have written so many articles. Nifty may be range bound as far as as per my previous article. Solar ingress, solar eclipse, Scorpio, Omicron in 24 countries, red alert and havoc from rains. Omicron hanging fire till Mars, red planet activates the eclipse point on the 9th, 30th December 2021. total solar eclipse on that 4th December 2021. 4 planets cluster in Scorpio sign, and Mars about to join Venus for Omicron. So friends, this is all I wanted to share as far as the Mars ingress is concerned. So in my next article, I am going to discuss about Omicron. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.